Introducing the NZXT F-Series RGB Core Single-Frame Fans. The new all-in-one design streamlines installation and simplifies cable management while enhancing performance and reducing noise. Customizable RGB LEDs shine through clean side windows and semi-translucent blades, creating a bright and captivating visual effect. Like our other RGB Core fans, these are PWM fans using fluid dynamic bearings for efficient performance with minimal noise. The ideal setup for the F-Series RGB Core fans is through the NZXT Control Hub for optimal control and customization. An NZXT RGB and PWM adapter cable is also included for easy integration without the hub. To begin, ensure your PC is turned off. Make sure you install the fan in the right orientation, then pass the cable to the back side of the case. Secure the fans with 4 screws. If installing onto a radiator, please use the screws provided from the liquid cooler packaging. If you are not using the NZXT Control Hub, plug the RGB Core Fan 8-pin male connector to the adapter cable's 8-pin female connector. Connect the adapter cable 4-pin NZXT RGB connector to an NZXT RGB lighting channel or a 5-volt ARGB channel on the motherboard. Please do not connect the 12-volt RGB as it can damage the LEDs. Connect the adapter cable 4-pin PWM to an open header on your motherboard. If you are using the NZXT Control Hub instead, plug the RGB Core Fan 8-pin male connector into a channel on the NZXT Control Hub. Connect the Control Hub PCIe power cable to the power connector on the power supply. Connect the USB cable to an available internal USB 2 port on the motherboard. To enable control of your RGB Core fans, download and install CAM from nzxt.com/software/CAM. CAM gives you custom control over your fans and will dynamically adjust fan speed based on PC temperatures for optimal efficiency. Thanks for joining us for this installation guide. If you have any questions or run into any issues, our support team is here to help. See you in the next video.